Faculty of Health Sciences Faculty Research Forum started in 1969 as the Research Day at the Old National Hospital. Since then, it's grown into one of the highlights of the academic year of the Faculty of Health Sciences. It showcases the development in research that has happened within the faculty over the years. This year, we've got 90 presentations from the 5 different schools within the faculty. As with every year since 1994, the highlight of this year's forum would be the prestigious FP Retief lecture. This year we invited Prof. Tahir Pillay from the University of Pretoria. He is world-class and world-renowned pathologist and scientist, and the current president of the South African Association for Clinical Biochemistry and Laboratory Medicine. As this is the 5th year celebration of the faculty, this year we've got a special celebratory theme called Carnival de Jubilee. As such, we've got some exciting new items and celebrations that we've included in the program. I urge you to come and support the researchers and come and take part in the festivities.